So this is what I do for fun. I capture wasps and put them in bags and watch what they do. One of the things I like to do is flip them over and look at them from the bottom side, because I think that's just pretty cool. There's a couple of them in here. And it's just fun to watch nature safely. This guy's not sure what he's doing there. But it's cool to watch. See all the little different parts of him. Upside down. I'll flip him back over and just watch what they do. And so far the two of them haven't really freaked out that they're roommates. They haven't actually really noticed each other at all. So here's this guy. You can see them moving their little legs. And there he goes, crawling. Anyway, I just think it's kind of fun. I could watch these guys for hours. Just watch what they do and how they interact or don't. Oh, it's the first time they've actually... Check out, they're getting to know each other. Filling each other's antenna, I guess. I'm not really sure what that is that they're doing. Guess that's how they get to know each other. Sharing information like, how'd you get in here? I don't know. All of a sudden, there's a bag over my head. So, kind of cool. Anyway, that's my science for today. Just fascinating. I just love watching nature from a very safe distance.